Hi guys, welcome to Nene Nails. Okay, so one of the biggest questions I get asked by my students is how do I prevent lifting in nails? And if you're getting a lot of lifting your nails, I'm gonna sum it up today in one word that will hopefully help you or guide you as to where you might be going wrong. So there are lots of different things that can contribute, but if I had to pick one thing that so many people skip over or rush is preparation. And I'm talking about this is the number one thing that could solve all of your preparation, peeling, lifting, everything like that, potentially with your gel polish, your acrylic gel, and soft gel. So, as I said, there are so many different things that can contribute to this. Nails is a huge journey and it takes a long time, so stick at it. But the number one thing that I see is definitely people skipping preparations. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below if you've got any other questions and I can help you, okay? Bye.